Good morning, sir. My name is Tanmay. I am studying 9th class. The title of my project is to prevent anti-collisions of railway accidents. The purpose of my project is to prevent railway accidents. I got more interest in this topic because of recently a railway accident occurs in Odisha. A total of 296 people were killed in the year and more than 1,200 people were injured. It was India's deadliest railway crash. Railway transport is indispensable in the modern world. Nowadays, train network has become more busier, carrying more passengers and goods. It results in increases demands in inspection and maintenance of rail assets and improve a lot of chances to accidents, loss of lives and resources. But these unexpected accidents can be avoided and prevented by using this railway prevention technology. By using ultrasonic sensors, by using this technology, we can detect the obstacle in front of the train. By alarm, by using this we can stop the train automatically. The obstacles stay inside the train even after the alarm sound, then the train stops automatically with the help of air brakes. Unfortunately, train accident occurs, it results in serious injuries and fatalities. The material required for this gadget is HC distance ultrasonic sensors, IC, integrated chip, display screen. Model of the train. When a person don't know the value of life and he wants to die or suicide, or animal eating the grass inside the railway track, or a person crossing the railway track, or when two trains crash each other, it results in serious injuries and so many deaths. To save all the lives and to prevent all accidents, this innovation is used. By using this system, we can detect the obstacle in front of the train. I explain that how this system works. The HC distance ultrasonic sensors, this is transmitter, ultrasonic waves produced through transmitter, and receiver receives all the ultrasonic waves after hitting the obstacle, and the distance is displayed on the display screen and all the work done in this IC. So just imagine my hand has an obstacle placed in front of these sensors. The train engine will off. The Federal Railroad Administration in 2014, there were 11,896 people were killed in the year. A train is estimated to kill one person in every 100 minutes. In a year, there were 1,000 accidents are related to train accidents. These ultrasonic sensors are placed at the head of the train in order to calculate the distance between the obstacle and train through ultrasonic waves. Obstacle detection. Ultrasonic sensors along the railway track to detect obstacles and other foreign objects on the tracks. These can help prevention of anti-collisions of accidents. Train position monitoring. Use ultrasonic waves to monitor the position of the train on the tracks. Advantages of this project. Ultrasonic sensors are relatively inexpensive compared to other technologies used for rail safety. Using ultrasonic sensors, we can make our railway safer for everyone. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.